Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for watching again. As you can see, pretty basic on the salad tonight. So it's just going to be me eating. I was on the line of going and ordering either KFC or Burger King or something, and I was like, no, not today. Not today. So I'm going to basically put some artichoke hearts with some delicious charred little peppers and some chickpeas as the base on top of this lovely salad. Pop a bit of apple cider vinegar, pop a bit of extra virgin olive oil. Bob is your uncle. Enjoy.